Amanfo keka se Accra Sofo coach Ouattara wa hwebe sakene ba coach no admissible pan wagye ne nyoma bi atum raw se yebehu saa BBC Ghana Premier League no oye mistake no ditum so na ye mistake no details no ha ye de bro ofia currently Samartex lead Ghana Premier League no with 42 points na etoa with Moaka the screen no so jasem ketwa Monaka on the CEO and the general manager of Samartex. Details of more. Frederick Asare, Kumasa Sante Kotoko goalkeeper, or prepared towards Tuesday Ghana and Uganda. Hope the two players from Kumasa Sante Kotoko Mukwala and Frederick Asare Ombeshia or Konadu Adom, a former Accra Sofo player, were joining a Ukrainian side. I friend Chris Bass, a top flight Ukrainian side, former Accra Sofo player, Ghana Premier League top defender. Well, Ouattara and some of the two after the game, and then he also today, I think I made a bad choice and it affected the team, so it's my fault. Abubakar Ouattara, Sofo head coach, after the defeat to Samartex or Summerboy, and all this and same way too. I'm for Kazi Hakas for Gromunin to was here, and the first lose near as a matter of fact, Yinti na underscore. Well, Sauko Summerboy so Nijian after so much share class of 2-1 on the screen, Edmond Aka on the fans of Summerboy. Samartex for no and na yim for ni wo no to ne network to a large size. Frederick Asare Black Stars camp and na wo so old training e wo ho no Tuesday Ghana Black Stars and Uganda Mukwala mo the cranes of Uganda in Kotoko'S mienu e be hia wo Morocco Marrakesh details e wo bia de be bro coach Ogum say Kotoko supporters Yembra Stadium edne yes.